Hello everyone, my name's Joe, and in this how-to video I'm going to show you how to use AI-powered image analysis in ArcGIS Survey123 Web. One of the great things about this feature is that it can make data collection so much faster. In this example, we have a Survey123 form that's been configured for mobile workers in the field to record the condition of electricity pylons. The form is fairly lengthy, so it could be a time-consuming task to fill this out for every pylon our mobile worker comes across. Instead, in ArcGIS Survey123, the worker can upload a photo of each electricity pylon that needs reviewing, and the form can be automatically filled out with the help of AI-powered analysis. As you can see, if I upload a photo of an electricity pylon here, all of the subsequent questions of a range of different question types are automatically filled in. And the configuration for this in ArcGIS Survey123 Web is easy. Firstly, ensure you have a question in your form that allows the user to upload an image, like this one here. You can find this question type in the Media and Files section when adding a question. And next, after designing the form, for each question you would like to be answered automatically from the image analysis, click on the question. In the tab on the right, click Edit in the Calculation section. Ensure Source is set to Question. Under Extract Property from Question, choose the name of the question that prompts the user to upload an image. Here, it's called Upload Photo. In the second drop-down, choose Analyze Image. Next, we're going to fill in what we would like the AI to extract from the image, or how we want our question to be answered. In this case, we want the AI to provide a summary of the infrastructure of the electricity pole in the image. So that's what I've put down. Click OK. And finally, repeat this process for the other relevant questions in the survey. So, with just a few steps, we've saved our mobile workers a lot of time. Thank you for listening.